Hello everyone, welcome to Lady Bay Gardening. I hope you're well. Happy New Year to everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you how I start my garlic. To plant garlic is pretty easy. This is a whole garlic and this is called a bulb. And what you do is you can open it up, separate them into a cloves because there's cloves. So this is a whole bulb and the cloves, you separate them. So the little garlic you go is called cloves. And you can grow them straight away. But if you don't want to do that, you can actually put them in the water like this, in a bowl of water. And a couple of weeks later, you should get something like this. So you see them start shooting up like this. Then you can separate them. You can see this is ready to go. Separate them. I hope you can see this. Let me bring this closer and separate them. So you got two types of garlic. You got the soft neck and the hard neck. Today I'm going to be growing the soft neck type, and I like the soft neck because they tend to keep longer. So these are the ones I've separated. There's quite a lot of them. So this is this particular variety is called Picardy, right? And I get my garlic from grow seed, and I've got some couple of ones that I had from last year harvest, which I'm also going to be growing them as well, planting as well. So I've dug some holes because my raised bed is a square foot garden model. So for each square you have nine holes for a square foot meter. So in a square foot meter I have 9 holes. So I've already put the holes in there, and what you'll be doing is just take one bit like this and just put in the hole. I'll show you that one. And just put in a hole like that. I hope you can see it, and you just cover it up. I'll draw another one for you guys. Just put in a hole and cover it up, and it's that simple. Let's do it again. So I'm using this too, and just dug the holes. Let's do another one and just put it in the holes and cover it up, and that's it. It's pretty easy, and that's how you grow garlic. And I hope you enjoyed this small video. If you do have any question, please leave me a message or comment, and I'm happy to respond to you. Have a blessed day and take care. Be safe. Bye.